can't believe this kid, man. Hey, bro, give me that shit, man. What's wrong with you, bro? What's wrong with you, bro? You can't eat that, bro. You can't eat that, man. Stick to the diet, bro. Stick to the diet. Eat clean, bro. Stick to the diet, man. 6 weeks. Stick to the diet, man. Come on, the gym right there, man. Let's go to the gym, man. Stick to the diet, bro.